Our control arms are in. Yes, I went with Godspeed. Can't judge me because I'm not going to pay an extra $500 for this to say Megan or some shit. Godspeed, Trueheart, and Megan are the same company, so we're sticking with Godspeed. We are going to install our control arms today, so let's get fucking to it. Alright, let's unbox these. Even though I already opened them because I'm too excited and impatient. We got the rear control arms. Rear control arms. Right there. Solid bushings. Second one out. Number 2. Very nice. And these are the fronts. Hell yeah, cousin. Lies, he said, I wasn't going to stream tonight, but then I had car parts come in, so now I have to. I wasn't going to. And then I got home, and Leslie said, your car parts are here. These weren't supposed to be here for another week, but they're here. So now we're streaming and we're putting them on. So that's what we finna do today. Get the boomba out of the way. Passenger side, and then move to the driver's side. What do you think?
What are you going to do with the jack stands?
Just lay underneath, so if it falls, it'll fall on me. Very good. We're gonna install these ball joints. So, ball joints here, gotta put it on. The proper way is this way, but to get this ball joint closer to this end for more camber, we're gonna flip it like that. This goes on the other side. This plate has threads in it. Push it all the way down so it's maxed out. I'm gonna tighten these on this side. And then if you ever need to adjust it, you just loosen them and slide the ball joint. Moment of truth. Do I have to cut my control arms or will they fit? Are we ready? Oh man, I'm just as scared. Bruh. Yeah. That's my face. Yo! 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 That's fucking juicy, bro. That's juicy. Yeah, the wheels turned, or alignment's just out to lunch. Yo! Boys, What did I say? What did I say? What's life without some sketchy shit? Bruh. It's a little sunk. Could either take, depending on the rear, I either take out camber or I add a tiny spacer. Looking very good, very nice. Yo, this shit's fire. No cap. I'm faster than the F1 pit crew. Alright, camber arms installed. We're done. Flat tire. Alright. So, this is sticking out a few inches here. The scary thing is I also only have a few inches of room here. So I'm hoping it like just clears. So either I'm gonna have to rebuild these with smaller barrels, or I'm cutting that shit out. I don't give a fuck. Salvage status. Alright. One. Shit. 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 Shit, man.
What's happening?
Not on live, bro. Please. Not when my friends are watching. You always do this. Yeah, that goes in there. Okay, got that right. Got some right. I'm very confused, man. No matter which way I flip the control arm, it doesn't sit into the ball joint. And my knuckle / axle is maxed out. Line up. These two. It's way off. I flipped it around. Yeah. We'll have the expert give it a shot.
How did you know I was here?
I heard your truck.
Oh. I found our issue. Where's that? Is the car in gear? Yeah. Can you take it out of gear?
Oh my fucking Christ. Oh my fucking Christ. Oh my fucking Christ. Oh my fucking Christ. Oh my God. How did I not fucking think of that?
Here.
Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, they're crusty.
Still poking out just the tiniest bit. That would be perfect for fender to lip, but unfortunately that's not what I'm going for. Oh, yeah.
I really moved it out of the way so I don't spill it.
The front wheel is like towed out, but All right, guys, so we finished installing all the control arms on the S2K. It is currently sitting on stock spares right now. Well, Z stocks in the front, S2K stocks on the rear. The stock 16-inch S2K wheels do not fit with the new control arms, but all the arms are in. Still got to tweak a little bit to fit the wheels. Currently still waiting on getting all hardware, as there are a couple missing. Gonna rebuild them, reseal them. Got the tires here as well. Get those on the car and hopefully get it on the ground with the new wheels, and then a lot more to do to get the vehicle looking to where it needs to be. So a lot of stuff to do, but it's coming together. I appreciate you guys coming by and checking out the YouTube videos. There's going to be a lot more content coming. Peace.